Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2E. That is about solving simultaneous linear equations, elimination method. In this lesson, I will solve question number 2, basic level. Let me read the question from the book. Question says, using the elimination method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. A part is 7x minus 2y equals to 17 and 3x plus 4y equals to 17. As we have to solve the question by elimination method, so what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of x and y in both the equations, and we have to see whether the coefficients of any one of the variable are same or not. If we look at the coefficient of x in both the equations, they are not same. If we look at the coefficients of y in both the equations, they are not same. So it means we have to go for the balancing of coefficients, and in order to balance the coefficients, we know we have to take the LCM of the coefficients, and I will be preferring the coefficients of y for balancing because the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, and in this way I need to put the less working. Let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. So what I have to do, I have to multiply this equation by 2. So when I will be multiplying this equation by 2, question will take the form 7 2s are 14x minus 4y equals to 34. And now the second equation will be coming as it is, 3x plus 4y equals to 17. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of y in both the equations. We can see that the coefficient of y in both the equation is 4 with opposite sign. So same coefficient, opposite sign, same coefficient and opposite sign. What we have to do, opposite sign, what we have to do, we have to add up the equations. So when I will be adding up these two equations, 4y minus 4y will be going with 4y, and I will left with 14x plus 3x, which will give me 17x equals to 7 plus 4 is 11, and 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1, that was carry, will give me 5. So in order to get a value of x, what I have to do, I have to shift this 17 to other side. So the equation will take the form x equals to 51 by 17, 17 ones are and 17 threes are 51. So the value of x is 3. Now what I have to do, I have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations. So I'm choosing equation 1, replace x equals to 3 in equation 1, and when I'm replacing x equals to 3 over here, equation will take the form 7x minus 2y equal to 17, and 7 times 3 minus 2y equals to 17. 7 times 3 is 21 minus 2y equals to 17. Shift 21 to other side. Minus 2y equals to 17 minus 21. 17 minus 21 will give me 4 with negative sign. Minus 2y equals to minus 4, and shift minus 2 to other side. Y equals to minus 4 by minus 2, and y equals to 2. So find the values. Question says, as the question says, find the values of unknowns. So the unknowns have the values x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. I hope you are clear about this situation, and let's quickly move to the next question. Question number 2, and B part is, okay, 16x plus 5y equals to 39 and 4x minus 3y equals to 31. Okay, now what we have to do, let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. We have to see that what are the coefficients of both the variables in the question. X has the coefficient 16 here, but 4 in the second equation. They're not the same. Same for y, the coefficients are not same. So I have to go for the balancing of coefficients. So I will be preferring the balancing of y because the coefficients are 5 and 3 with opposite signs. So I have to perform little less working. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So what I will be doing, I will be multiplying this equation by 3 and the second equation by 5. So the question will take the form 16 multiplied by 3 is 48x plus 5 times 3 is 15y equals to 39 multiplied by 3. 39 times 3 is 117. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 2 11. 117. And now come to the second equation. 5 times 4 is 20. X minus 15y equals to 31 times 5 multiplied by 5, 155, 5 ones are and 5 threes are. Yes, this is 155. Now what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficient of y. In both the equations, we can see that y has the coefficient 15 with positive sign, and here y has the coefficient 15 with negative sign. Same coefficient, opposite signs. So what we are going to do, we have to add up the equations. So we have to add up these equations. Okay, and when I'm adding up the equations, we can see that 15y with positive 15y with negative 15y we can cancel easily, and I will left with x values only. So I have to add them up. 8 plus 0 is 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6, 68x. And now I have to add up 117 to 155 plus 155. That will give me 272. Now in order to get value of x, I have to shift this 68 to other side, and equation will take the form 272 by 68. Now I have to read the table of 68. That 68 is how many times 272. So this is 68 ones are, and 68 4 times is 272. So the value of x that I'm getting is x equals to 4. Now what we have to do, we have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations to get the value of other unknown. So what I will be doing, I will replace x equals to 4 in equation 1. So equation will take the form 16x plus 5y equals to 39. Instead of x, I have to replace 4. 16 into 4 plus 5y equals to 39. 64 plus 5y equals to 39. Okay, shift 64 to other side. 5y equals to 39 minus 64. Take away 64 from 39. 64 minus 39, 25. 5y equals to 25 but with minus sign because 64 has the negative sign. In order to get value of y, shift 5 to other side. 25 by 5. 5 ones are and 5 fives are. So value of y is minus 5. Y equals to minus 5. So the values of unknown for this question are x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 5. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's quickly move to the next problem, that is x plus 2y equals to 3 and 3x plus 5y equals to 7. Now first of all, quickly mark the equations with the numbers. Let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now as we can see that in both the equations x and y does not have the same coefficient. We need to balance any one of the variable. So what I will be doing, I will be multiplying equation 1 by 3 because that will give me the less working. So equation will take the form 3x plus 6y equals to 9. Now, the second equation is 3x plus 5y equals to 7. After writing the equations together, what we have to do, we have to observe the signs of the coefficients of x in both the equations. We can see that x has the same coefficient, positive 3, in both the equations. So we have to apply the rule, same coefficient, same sign, subtract the equations or change the sign of second equation. And when I will be changing the sign of second equation, I can see that this 3 will be going with this 3. So, okay, I can get rid of this x. And now in my equation, I will have just y with me. So 6 minus 5 is only 1. Y equals to 9 minus 7 is 2. Y equals to 2. So this is the value of one of the unknown of the question. Y equals to 2. What we have to do now, replace y equals to 2. Replace y equals to 2 in any one of the equations, and I will be preferring the equation 1. So the question will take the form x plus 2y equals to 3. X, I need to get the value of x, and y has the value 2 equals to 3. X plus 4 equals to 3. Shift 4 to other side. X equals to 3 minus 4 and x equals to minus 1. So the values of unknown for this question are x equals to minus 1, y equals to 2. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's quickly move to the next question, and let's read the question first from the book. Question 2, D part is 3x plus y equals to minus y when 7x plus 3y equals to 1. And the question says that we have to use the elimination method only on this question. Let me quickly mark the equations with 1 and 2. After marking the equations, I have to observe the coefficients of x in both the equations. They are not same, and coefficients of y are also not same. So I have to go for the balancing of coefficients in any one of the equations. Okay, first, if I'm looking at the coefficient of y here, it is 3 and it's 1. So what I can do is I can multiply this equation by 3 to balance the coefficient of y. So the equation will take the form 9x plus 3y equals to minus 15. And this second equation will be coming as it is, 7x plus 3y equals to 1. Now, after writing both the equations together, what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficient of y in both the equations. In both the equations, the coefficient of y is positive 3 with same sign, same coefficient, same sign. We have to subtract the equations or change the sign of the second equation. And when I'm changing the sign of second equation, I can see that this 3y will be cancelling with this 3y, same because the coefficients are same with the opposite sign. So I will have the values of x with me only, that is 9x minus 7x, it will give me 2x equals to minus 15 minus 1 minus 16. Now what I have to do, I have to shift this 2 to other side. Minus 16 divided by 2, 2 ones are and 2 eights are. So x will be equal to minus 8. You should have good command on the tables. Then this lesson will not be difficult for you. Now in order to get the value of the other unknown, what we have to do, we have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations. Replace x equals to minus 8 in equation 1, and when I'm replacing x by minus 8, equation takes the form 3x plus y equals to minus 5. 3 times minus 8 plus y equals to minus 5. 3 times 8 is 24 plus y equals to minus 5. Shift 24 to other side. So y will be equal to minus 5 plus 24. Okay, take away 5 from 24. 14 minus 5 is 9, 19. But let me reconfirm this. Y equals to 19. Okay, so the values of unknown of this question are x equals to minus 8 and y equals to 19. Very easy questions and compulsory part of your O-level paper 1, 80 marks paper. So please, you should have the good command on these questions. Okay, let me move to E part of the question. And the E part of the question is 7x minus 3y equals to 13. And the second equation is 2x minus y equals to 3. Okay, let's quickly mark the equations with the numbers 1 and 2. Now observe the coefficients of x in both the equations. They are not same. Even the coefficients of y are not same. So we have to balance the coefficients of one of the variables, and I will be preferring the balancing of y because here I just have to multiply and create 3 here and my problem will be solved. So what I will be doing, I will be multiplying the second equation by 3. I hope these points are really clear to you that how to choose the variable which will give the easy calculations. Now the second equation will take the form 6x minus 3y equals to 9. Now what we have to do, we have to first write equation 1 and then we have to write this new equation 7x minus 3y equals to 13 and 6x minus 3y equals to 9. Now after writing both equations together, what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of y in both the equations. That is, coefficient of y in the first equation is minus 3 and in the second equation is also minus 3. Same coefficient, same sign. So it means we have to subtract the equations or change the sign of second equation, and when I'm subtracting the equations, I can see minus 3 plus 3 will give me 0. So I can cancel y terms here and I will left with x values in the question, and 7 minus 6 will give me x and 13 minus 9 is 4. So the value of one of the variable of the question is x equals to 4. Now in order to find the value of the other variable, what we have to do, we have to replace value of x in any one of the equations. So replace x equals to 4 in equation 2 is your choice, but see which equation gives you the less working. Preferably choose that equation. So the second equation is 2x minus y equals to 3. Replace x equals to 4. 2 into 4 minus y equals to 3. 8 minus y equals to 3. Shift 8 to other side by changing the sign. Minus y equals to 3 minus 8 minus y equals to minus 5. We can remove this minus sign and value of y will be equal to 5. So the two unknowns of this question are x equals to 4 and y equals to 5. Let me block the answer. I hope you are clear about this question, and let me move to the last part of the question, that is 9x minus 5y equals to 2 and 3x minus 4y equals to 10. Okay, and we need to solve this question by elimination method, and we know for the elimination method we have to first of all observe the coefficients of both the variables. If we look at the coefficients of x, in the first equation it's 9, in the second equation it's 3, and coefficient of y are 5 and 4. None of the variable has the same coefficient, so we have to go for the balancing of coefficients. Here we have to think about that which variable will be most suitable. It's your choice. You can balance y, but for balancing a y, you have to go under double working, that you have to multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 5. But if you look at the x, here the coefficient of x is 9 and here we have the coefficient of x 3. So we can turn in a single step easily this 3 to 9. So I will be preferring this second equation, and I'll multiply the second equation by 3. So the equation will take the form 9x minus 5y equals to 2, and 9x minus 3 fourth time is 12y equals to 30. Now what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of x in both the equations. In both equations, x have the coefficient positive 9. Okay, so same coefficient, same sign. What is the rule? That we have to change the sign of second equation. So when I'm changing the sign of second equation, I can see 9 minus 9. So I can cancel this 9 easily. And I will left with 12y minus 5y. Take away 5 from 12. And this will give me 7y equals to 2 minus 30. And it will give me minus 28. Okay. And now what we have to do, we have to shift this 7 to other side. Minus 28 by 7, read the table, 7 ones are and 7 fours are, and y equals to minus 4. And let me block the answer. After getting value of one of the variable, what we have to do, we have to replace that value in any one of the equations. So replace y equals to minus 4 in equation 2. So equation will take the form 3x minus 4y equals to 10. Instead of y, replace minus 4 times minus 4 equals to 10. 4 times 4 is 16, and minus sign multiplied by minus sign will be positive. Plus 16 equals to 10, and now it is 10. Shift 16 to other side. 3x equals to 10 minus 16. 3x equals to minus 6, and x equals to minus 6 by 3. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. X equals to minus 2. So this is the value of the second unknown of the question. So the solutions or values of unknown for the question are x equals to minus 2 and y equals to minus 4. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons. Like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.